Proof by deduction is a mathematical and logical argument that shows that a result is true. To better understand this, let's look at an example. Prove that the sum of any two consecutive odd numbers is always even. So first, we want to establish two consecutive odd integers. So we can do 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 1. So these will be the two consecutive odd numbers or two consecutive odd integers. So now we want to prove that the sum will always be even. So we can do 2n minus 1 plus 2n plus 1 is equivalent to 4n. And when we factorize 4n, we can see that it is 2 bracket 2n. And any multiple of 2 must be even. So we can conclude that the sum of any two consecutive odd numbers is always even.
Please like and subscribe, please.